Here's how to block and unblock someone on TikTok. So go ahead, open your TikTok application on your mobile device and log into your specific account. First, let's cover blocking. You might want to block someone if you don't want to see their videos or allow them to see yours. And here's how to do it. To block someone, you need to go ahead and find their profile. Go to their profile, or you can also go ahead and search for them. Then tap on the share button in the top right corner of your screen. And here you'll get the option of block, that is between report and send message in the bottom. Go ahead and select it. Now select block, and this user will be instantly blocked on your TikTok. They won't be able to send you messages, see your posts, or find your profile. Now let's look at unblocking. One way to unblock someone is through their profile. So if you know their username, you can simply search for them and their profile will appear, and you can go to their profile and then select unblock again to confirm. Otherwise, you can also go to your profile, then tap on the three lines in the top right corner, go to settings and privacy, then go to privacy, then scroll all the way down and select blocked accounts. And here select unblock, and you'll be done. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.